Hi, welcome to another TechWorks Tuesday. I'm Miss S, and I'm here with our Doosan COBOT robotic arm. This robotic arm is meant to work with people, so it is collaborative, and it can be given a task using a teach pendant. And so with this, you can build a task for the robot to complete. And here, we've built a task giving it step-by-step instructions to pick up our CCA cup filled with water and transfer that water into another container. So a simple task like that can be expanded upon. This type of robot can be used in manufacturing and other industries, and we're eager for students to learn these skills so that they can get the hands-on experience they need to get future careers. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information about the Doosan COBOT or other technologies here in the TechWorks lab, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.